Let's go. We're live. It's just me today. It's just a me stream. Hello. I don't know if anyone's here yet. I don't think so. But how's it going? I hope it's going good. I'm really excited about all of the progress I've been making on placeholder name Cloud Edge, and I really wanna do a release and stuff. There, hello, over on YouTube. Oh wait, yeah, so this is the one of the problems I want to fix, which is that if you walk outside without grabbing the scythe first, you just can't attack at all. Also, hi Pierogi, I see you there. I wanted to stream, so now we're here. But how's everyone doing? Hope you're doing well. I think what I need to do, I think what I want to do is finally a stream I could watch. Yeah! It's later than usual. Is this the final graphic version? Not at all. No, absolutely not. This is the placeholder graphic version. As you can see, the houses are just a stone floor and nothing else. What I want to do with the houses, it's on a Saturday, true, so you get to stay up later. I'm hoping M125 can make it, because this also is on a Saturday for him. My plan with this is I want there to be an actual exterior for the house and like a roof. I want to see a rooftop. And then when you walk inside, the rooftop disappears and then you can see inside the house. I don't know, Pierogi. We might have to not only do earlier streams, but also do them on weeknights or weekend nights, not school nights. Yeah, exactly there. So that's my plan for graphics eventually. Same idea, yeah. That's my plan for graphics eventually. But right now, my main goal is just throw in placeholder graphics just so we can have a game and make sure the game is fun before we full send on making graphics. This is Farmland, which is just a random farming pack that I found on I think I found it on Itch. I don't remember exactly where I found it, but a random farming pack. And these farm tiles don't look good unless you're actually farming on them. But, you know, it fills the space. I have COVID probably. Oh no, that sounds rough. But I think what I want to do to make this a better experience for the player is first of all get rid of this path over here. There should be only one way out of this village. There we go. And then I want to also eventually surround this village by mountain so that actually there's nowhere to go but to the right. So that way you have like a little bit of like a tutorial area, I guess, where it's like the only thing you can do here is talk to the other villagers until you get out. M125 is coming, yes! Oh, the Snick sent me a message. He was like, secret surprise Saturday stream? Snacks have technology confirmed. True. But yeah, I want it to be like, instead of, you know, you wake up right next to the enemies, that I think I want to move the spawn point to this house so that you have like all of these NPCs to talk to. Maybe I'll put some farming equipment here so you can pick up a scythe here. Maybe there'll also be weapons in your house so that you have a lot of opportunities to pick up a weapon. And then also I think we're gonna go with our plan too, where the old Angie guy, is that what his name was? What is your name? The old Angie guy, the real, will also give you a sword. So that way it's like before you can encounter an enemy, you have many opportunities to pick up a weapon. Is that gamer coming? I really hope so. I saw him lurking in another stream earlier today. But I really hope that this impromptu stream doesn't break his streak. That'd be really sad. It's dangerous to go alone. Take this. Gives a Glock. It might be eventually, Thayer. Another stream. We're doing a surprise stream today. A secret surprise stream. It might be elements based eventually, Thayer, but I'm not sure. For now, you can only cast fireballs. But that's something that I'll have to kind of figure out slowly over time as I'm messing with this magic system of like, I don't know. I want there to be, the main idea is just that flowers are consumable. Every time you cast a spell, you need a flower. Or specifically in this world, we're calling them florids. But in order to cast a spell, you need a florid, and it gets consumed every time you cast. But I would like to have some complexity where it's like, maybe different types of florids have different effects on your spells, or different types of florids do different types of spells. I'm not sure yet. And that's something that I'll have to like, just kind of implement it, playtest, see how it feels, and then go from there. I'm getting winded, I'm talking too much. But plan A right now is like, I want to add different types of florids that have different effects on your spells, so you can still only cast fireball. Hydrate, thank you. I said hi to you, Mags, right? I'm pretty sure I did, but in case I didn't, hi Mags, it's good to see you. Different florid types have different effects on your fireball, so you can choose to spend like more of the blue flowers to have a faster flying fireball, or more of the red flowers to do more damage or something. And then you can kind of like tune how your fireballs act, so you can kind of tune into your playstyle maybe. That's my idea right now. I don't know how far that's gonna go. Okay, so Bob, you're being evicted. This is your house now. And then where is the spawn point? Actually, we can just click it. We can't? Why can't we just click the spawn point? There it is. And now the spawn point goes here. Loki, hello, welcome. I'm really excited about all of the progress I've been making on my game recently, so I'm doing an impromptu stream to see if I can get this ready for another release. I'm like treating this like a proper release cycle, even though it's like so early in development, it's not even a game yet, but I don't know, it gets me excited. It feels like such a huge amount of progress. Even though it's like nothing, even though it's like I don't really have a game worth playing, but it feels so much more exciting to be like, I made a change to the dialogue system and then now I get to make a release. It gets me really hyped. So I made a lot of changes recently. Like I changed the way you now have to pick up weapons and like defeat the boss before you can do any kind of magic. The dialogue system has been improved dramatically, and now it makes sounds, which is so exciting. And I think I also reworked the village. I don't remember if I reworked the village in this version. But I've done so much, and I'm so excited, and I'm like, I just need to get this a little bit polished so that it's sort of playable, and then we're good. Did you fix the boss exploit? I did not. Wait, actually, yes. Unintentionally, yes. Check it out. So the thing about the boss now, it's a long walk. I need to add sprinting. One thing I need to figure out how I'm going to implement this is I want you to be able to sprint so you can travel faster, but I don't want you to be able to exploit the sprint so that enemies can't attack you. Does that make sense? Like, I don't want you to be able to use sprint to kite enemies, but I want you to be able to travel faster. So this is the boss. I recently put the boss inside this arena of trees, and this exploit where if you have magic, you can just kill the boss. Well, you can kite the boss into here, and then now he can't attack you, and you can throw fireballs at him. But now you don't have magic until you defeat him, so you can't use the exploit. It still is like a little bit weird to have him in this arena. It is really hard to dodge his attacks now, though. There we go. And then now, when you pick up this gem or this artifact, you have the ability to cast fireballs. That's another thing I need to figure out, is how to tell the user whether or not they're about to cast a fireball or swing the sword when they click. One idea is to just have it be like left click does sword and then right click does fireball. But I think I want a blocking system. I guess I should just have it be left click sword, right click fireball, and then make right click blocking later if I decide that I want blocking. That would make the most sense. Okay, that's super based. But what were we doing now? I want to make Engi Guy actually give you a sword. I think he says he's giving you a sword, but then you don't actually receive one. You're the only person in the village strong enough to venture into the forest right now. It's dangerous to go alone. Take this. Please go investigate what is happening. Yeah, so he says he's giving you a sword, but he doesn't. So the way I want to do this right now is just make it so that I don't have a difference between the weapons, but I want it to be that the sword is a little better than the scythe. So I'll implement that later, but for now it's just kind of like, where's the boolean? This one has weapon just becomes true. Imaginary sword. Oh yeah, I did this really ridiculous thing. This is horrible the way that I did this, but it works. So I'm not sure if I should complain about it. But what I've done is that now all of these persistent information about the player, the stuff that we want to save in a save file, is in this auto load in this giant dictionary. And then I used get sets to basically make it so that when we whenever we use this variable, we're actually using the variable inside the auto load, and then whenever we set this variable, we're actually setting the variable in the auto load. It's horrible. It's a really bad way to do this, but like, it works. I just realized I forgot to run QuellaSpot. Let's run QuellaSpot. Okay, so when when do we interact with the dialogue interactable here? I'm trying to decide what best to do this. It would kind of make sense for it to be like imaginary sword. Yeah, it is an imaginary sword. He says he's giving you a sword and then suddenly you have a sword. But it also is just the same as all the other weapons in the universe. You don't even actually have a sword. You just have this like you swing your arm and then suddenly this sword slash happens. But there is no actual sword. There's just only the slashing of the sword. Because there's no sword art. Area.dialogue, what does that give us? I think I might just have to... Where are we? Let's go to world, look at Engi Guy. Dialogue gives us an array of dialogue resources. So it's not really going to help us unless we tie it into a dialogue resource. Which might make sense. Unless we make it like a quest system of like... So what's going through my head right now is like you complete a quest, you go talk to the NPC, they say words and then give you a reward. Should that reward be tied to the dialogue itself, where this dialogue should have a flag on it that says, or a variable on it that says you receive this item during this dialogue? Or should we have a separate quest system where when you talk to the NPC, the quest gets completed and completing the quest gives you the item? That would also need to be... Like, how would that even work? Okay, here's what I'm gonna do for now, at least. So we don't just get hung up thinking about this forever, because I do that so easily. Area.dialogue at 0.name. I think this is what we want. So if the first dialogue in the list and the name is the old Engi Guy, the real, then has weapon equals true. It's an ugly solution, but it does the trick. Hopefully. Oops, restart. So if I don't pick up the scythe in the beginning, and I go talk to the old Engi Guy, the real, that's Bob. If I go talk to the old Engi Guy, the real, now I have a weapon. It makes sans noise. And then, yeah, so if I restart, don't have a weapon, now I have a weapon. If I still talk to the old Engi Guy, the real... Are these sounds annoying for you? Wonderland! Thank you so much for the raid! Oh my gosh. Shout out to heckin' Wonderland. Shout out to Wonderland! I think all of you should probably have seen Wonderland stream by now, but if you haven't, please go give Wonderland a follow. They do really good streams. They do Godot dev, and They deserve some love. Okay. Yeah, so if we already have a weapon, we talked to the old Inky guy, the real. We still have a weapon, it seems like. Yes, we're good. How's the stream going? It's going good. This is a impromptu, unscheduled, secret, codeless stream, snickless stream. Because I was really excited about my game, and I feel like I have just a few small things that I need to do to cut another release. And I'm really excited. I'm really excited to share all the things that I've done and potentially have people playtest it and give me feedback. Okay, so now the last thing I want to do here is find wherever the heck the scythe is. Can you please select the scythe? There we go. That's it. Okay, we have nothing in here called scythe. This should just be called scythe. And then we should duplicate the scythe. Now we have scythe 2. Oh my gosh, please. There we go. And then scythe 2 gets put over here. So if you follow the path, you're going to run into another scythe. And this one's actually blocking the path, so you have to pick it up. There's no excuses not to have a weapon by the time you leave the farm, the town. Hi David! Quiver Quill Quadragenarian? True. We love a secret stream. I'm a bit sick and I'm going to grab a snack, kick back, and tune back in. Sounds good. How are you doing today, David? There was something I was gonna... Oh yeah. I was watching I was watching Daily Dose of Internet, and there was this skit of some people riding down a river just standing on a big block of ice, and and the commentary was, apparently this is how people in Russia commute to work. Oh, 125 is on their way. Nice. And I thought of you, and I wanted to send it to you and be like, hey, is this how you commute to work? do you just hop on a block of ice that's going down the river? Okay, let's make sure this scythe works as well. There's no reason it shouldn't, but just to be safe. We have no weapon. Now we do. Perfect. So now I have given the player 3 opportunities to collect a weapon before they venture into danger. Wait, maybe I should move the scythe right here. Just so it's just like you see the mushrooms, you're about to enter danger. So but there's a weapon here. Legos! It's so good to see you. I was hoping you would be able to make it. Okay, we need scythe 3. Scythe 3. And this is the last scythe. I think realistically these should all be different weapons. It should be like a scythe Saturday stream. Yeah, I want to start doing more unscheduled streams. I want to add more streams to the schedule. I know that was a contradictory statement, but I want to start streaming more is what I'm trying to say, and scheduling streams is overwhelming for me. So I'm gonna do more impromptu streams, maybe. Could you / do you want to force the player to pick up a weapon? I'm trying to make it as hard as possible for you to run into the enemies before you have picked up a weapon. Because I want there to be like an explanation. So the story here, the kind of situation here in this game is that you're just a random person who lives in this farming town and farms. BRB toilet break sounds good. It's a peaceful farming village. There's not really any danger usually. So nobody in this village is really trained for combat. You don't really have much weapons because you don't really have to deal with anything. But then one day the forest starts going crazy and like these mushrooms just start coming to life and attacking people, and there's going to be a lot more creatures. I also have plans for like frogs and snakes and like all of these creatures that usually like kept to themselves and were pretty docile are suddenly attacking humans and we don't know why. So your character is like the strongest person in this village. So they're like, okay, I'm gonna go into the forest and see what's going on. So you kind of just pick up the nearest weapon, the nearest thing that can be used as a weapon, which in this case is a scythe. The old Engi guy, the real, also happens to have a sword that he just keeps around. So he also gives you a sword. So you have, I want it to be explained of like why you have a weapon. So I want you to actually have to pick up the weapon or talk to the old Engi guy, the real, to receive a weapon before you enter the forest to attack. Because the other way is just that you spawn with a weapon, but then there's no explanation. And that's why weapon. Asher Doodles on YouTube, hello, how's it going? And Aiden Ruse, I think that's how you pronounce your name, welcome. We're making a little 2D RPG that has been going through identity crises, but we'll see where it ends up. Is it Eden? It's got to be either Aiden or Eden. So if you run into enemies without having a weapon, could you create a cutscene that makes you walk over and grab the weapon? That way somebody wouldn't miss the weapon as they're walking along and getting frustrated. True. That's not a bad idea. You'll be back. Sounds good, David. I don't know. I'm hoping that this will just be good enough. That it's just like, if you decide to talk to NPCs, you're going to receive a weapon pretty quick. If you decide to follow the path, you're going to receive a weapon pretty quick. If you decide to just kind of go off the path and explore the farm and stuff, eventually you're probably going to end up back on the path and then get to this weapon. There is a small chance though that you won't notice that they get highlighted when you go next to them, and you might just think it's decor and not pick it up. And that would suck. That is a problem that would be solved by just putting a little button indicator above things that you can pick up. Like same with the flowers. It's kind of hard to tell that you can interact with the flowers. I'm shocked and appalled. Hello, Code. How you doing? It's always my thought, don't introduce unintentional challenge. I think you could get over that by just making the scythe stand out more. Yeah, I'm kind of going off of my own experience, which is like when the only scythe, the only weapon you can pick up was inside of your house. The only weapon you could pick up was just a scythe lying right here. I would often end up not realizing that and just walking right past it. But there is a difference between I'm the developer who has done this so many times. You have so many bits morbs. I think it might be time to develop that further. Yeah. They're really stacking up. We've been planning this without you for months. You weren't supposed to find out. Surprise! Okay. So I think that's it. I don't know if there's any more they need to do here. All the bits are here. We have people you can talk to. Oh, we're gonna have an ad break in a minute, and I'm gonna take a break during that. We have people you can talk to. We have dialogue that's good. Oh, code. If you're paying attention, I have the literal worst solution to my saving issue. I have completed homework. Well done. But I don't want to dive into it yet because ads will happen in 30 seconds. So I probably shouldn't have brought it up. I will explain soon. Some people will absolutely miss anything not obvious. Yeah. But also you don't want to make that too far and remove game difficulty altogether. Yeah, for sure. Turn off cookies. Well, I get money if you watch the ads. Wait, so are we on ads? I said there was an ad break and then the counter went down, but now I don't see anything that says there are ads. No ads for me. Okay, I guess Twitch was lying about ads. Where are the ads? Super strange. But I solved the problem now. Look, we got 13 flowers. We still have 13 flowers. There we go. There's the ads. All right, I'm gonna put words on stream on the stream, and I'm gonna take a quick break. I've returned. Are you able to play words on stream on the tiny viewer? Math ad. Math ad break minigame. Continue. Nice code. Well done. Gain. Is gank a word? Gank is not a word. happened, Lingos? Also, welcome back from ads. Taking well done, Wonderland. Wait, are you all actually able to see words on stream through the tiny ad player? Because that was really cool. Ting. I guess that is a word. I guess onomatopoeia can be words, huh? Giant, heck yeah. Wonderland got all the big words, well done. Do you want to try it one more time to see if we can get to level 4? Because we gotta, between Code and Wonderland, like, we could actually do this. Let's go. This one's harder. I don't have any ideas. Uncle, well done, well done. Uncles. Nice, nice. Lens. Yeller goated, wow. Cues, nice, nice. Wait, why did lice not go in? Lice? Lice isn't a word? What? There's no I. Oh, yeah. Thank you. We're not gonna make it. We did it! Yes! Well done, Wonderland. Nucleus? Oh my gosh, Code. Well done. Can we make it to level 5? Wait, skip 2 levels. So we're past level 5? What are we on now? Level 6? Can we do level 6? That's the question. Maim. Not maim. I mean, like, how do you spell the word maim? Miami. Maximize. Oh my gosh. We already have maze. We met the goal, but like, what else is there? Maim, that's how you spell maim. Mime, well done, well done. You're out again. Based. I haven't guessed a single word in the last 2 rounds. I'm mostly letting Chad do it. I'm struggling. Exam, heck yeah. Yeah, worth a shot. Hi, Cube Miser. I hope you're doing well, Cube Miser. Good to see you. Well, let's keep going. See if we can do level 9. How is Maxi at word? Yeah, that's a good question. Oh wait, it's also like maxi dress and maxi skirt. Oh, if we had an N, we could do throne. Seth, probably not a word. Mother? Wait. Why is mother but not mothers? Is the S fake? There's a fake letter. It's the S. The S isn't real. Why no host? What does that mean? Oh, host, because the S isn't real. The S is fake. There's actually no S. Oh, we're so close. Oh, we already have Tome. Oh no. Rome? Rome isn't a word. Okay. We failed. We were so close though. We were like one guess away. Make the snake Lord? Wait, there is no snake. Hi, Mike and Hill. I can't make a snake Lord if there is no snake. I can't Mike and Hill. I can make the Q Lord. Mike and Hill, we either refund the points or make the Q Lord and then blow up the Q. Which do you prefer? Solid group attempt. We more than doubled our record on this stream. I think I've only done words on stream one other stream, but last time we only got to 4 and now we got to level 9. So like super goated. There is no snake, Mike and Hill. I can't make the snake large. The snake doesn't exist. Oh yeah, so I promised you all that I was going to show you the really bad way that I'm doing saving. It's a mess. It's ridiculous. So the information that we want to save, we store in this dictionary in an auto load. Wonderland, we can't make the snake smaller. Make a ghost snake. I am now cuter. Thank you, Wonderland. I can't see it, but I feel it. How do you feel about a ghost snake code? I'm not sure how I feel about that idea, but at the end of the day, it's your avatar. Anyways, we have an auto load. We store all of the data that we want to save in this auto load. Then, the most cursed thing of all is that I'm using a get set to tie this variable to the variable in the dictionary and the auto load. So when we call the learned magic variable, we're actually calling this getter, which fetches it from the auto load. And then when we set that variable, we're actually just calling this setter that sets the variable the auto load. It's an unsustainable nightmare. Yes, exactly. Plushie Taylor. Ooh, that would be great. I would love that. Put Snake Drip there without Snake. That's not a terrible idea. It would be kind of funny to have like a Millennium Ring sitting there. Yeah, exactly, Code. At least pipe that out to a utility function? How do you mean? But right now we only have 3 variables. And I'll have to find a better solution when we have more than 3 variables. But for now, it's just kind of like, well, if I go into the castle and then come back, we have the same amount of flowers and the same weapons that we did before. So it works. Actually begging for a crash, true. Also true. If I ever mess with the dictionary and don't update every single variable that's using it, turn Q into a brogy. No, we're not actually loading the save file right now. We do save to the save file, but we don't load it. This avatar program you guys made is really cool. Thanks, Mike and Hill. You shift that streamer, green pierogi. Let's do it. We need this. No, we need Hue, obviously. It's the Hue shift the streamer. How did I mess this up? There we go. Saturation. That's the greenest we're gonna get here. Make it a little darker. There. Boom. Green pierogi. Call a function of the save load class instead of accessing the dictionary directly. Get type of data. True. That's not a bad idea. If I update a texture variable, I wanted to apply that texture potentially to other nodes. Wait, I think I missed some context. I've never found a use case that hasn't made me cringe based. But yeah, now when we enter the castle and leave, we still have our weapon. Everything stays the same. Whereas before, it would just reset everything back to default values because we're deleting the player and also deleting the world and then recreating the new level. We don't have any values to create it from, so it just goes back to default. The only thing that does get reset right now is that the boss will exist again and all the enemies will exist again. Also, you can walk right over the river and right through walls. Because I just haven't added that yet. But yeah, if I were to have killed the boss would be back again because I went into the castle. If you need your own save loader to know which dictionaries to access, send self. Oh, that's a good point. You can have a function that updates all visuals and have your set function trigger that function so everything is unified. It's still automated. I'm not having enough time to do coding on weekend, bruh. What about right now? You don't have time right now? Yeah, another good use case for it is for if you have a variable that you have a UI element that you need to follow that variable, then put it in the setter. I'd be coding now, but Satisfactory 1.0 came out, so that's happening instead. How long ago did Satisfactory come out? I thought I heard about it a couple days ago. Y'all gotta stop redeeming the snake stuff. We don't have a snake. What do you want me to do? I know. I can add Q-drip. There. We got Q-drip now. Don't tell us what to do, Quell Sauce. I mean, I don't know. If people want to waste their points, who am I to tell them not to? I'm offering to refund everyone's points, but everyone's saying no. I can code, but the problem is I would have to remember to go turn them back on. I want all my functions to be short and descriptive of what they do without anything extra. One function should never do two things. Yeah, that's super based. As such, get sets just aren't descriptive enough. I would still use named functions in all those cases. You can actually use a named function in a get set. You're actively giving them a fire to toss points into? If they want to toss points into the fire, who am I to tell them? It's none of my business. It's their points. They can use them however they want. I'm offering a refund. Nobody's taking it, so it sounds like they just want to waste their points. Scammer mentality. I'm offering a refund. I'm trying to give people refunds actively. Backflip. This isn't a what's his name? This isn't a Logan Paul situation where I've scammed a bunch of people and told them they would get a refund and then just didn't do it. I am offering a refund and actively trying to give them refunds. Why? Why, chat? Why? Why do you make me do this? Because now I'm gonna forget to re-enable all of these on the next stream. I'm gonna forget. It's so many rewards. All right, are any of these ones that I actually have to do something for? Hydrate. Okay, we're hydrating and then we're refunding all the points. Okay. I've hydrated. Now it's time for points refunds. Add snake drip. Q2 backflip is base, no refund. Add snake drip, refund. Snake 2 backflip, refund. Make snake smaller, refund. Snake 2 backflip, refund. Make snake large. Blow up snake. Hydrate complete. Okay, done. That's done. Yeah, this goes for the chat too. If you haven't hydrated, go hydrate. You must. Okay, thank you, Wonderland. And Code also offered to remind me. I appreciate you both. My headphones are dead, and now I need to ship it across the country. What? Wait. I'm sorry. What, Pierogi? Why do you need to ship your dead headphones across the country? Gonna hit him with the lurk. Have a good stream. See ya, Code. Enjoy your lurk. 2 forms of code backup. Yeah. Yeah, I got the code backup and the backup code backup. Oh, they're dead. I thought you just meant that they're out of battery and they need to be recharged, and somehow shipping them will recharge them. What is this emote that everyone's spamming? Where did this come from? Oh, it's a global emote. Nice. Do I have that? Do we all have that? Yeah, I have that too. Nice. Good emote. I think the floating snake drip isn't gonna happen because I didn't get consent from Code mainly, and I don't want to do anything with his avatar without his consent. The left ear cup is obliterated, and this is not meant to be like a pressure in any way. Like, Code hasn't consented, and that's final. It's not gonna happen. The left ear cup is obliterated, doesn't work in Bluetooth, and the right doesn't work through wire. Oof. Wait, have you considered just using both? Plug it in and run it through Bluetooth. Play the same song at the same time, and then you have Bluetooth playing in your left ear, and then the wire playing in your right ear. Done. I don't think that'll actually work. Are you eating chocolate cake over there, Wonderland? Because if you're eating chocolate cake over there, I'm super jealous. I can't put the obliterated one? Oh, it's obliterated. I forgot about the obliterated part. That's important. Okay, so what am I doing? Why am I here? Why are we here? Is it just to suffer? Wonderland share. Ooh, I want to go fiddle with the princess's lines. Where's the castle? Actually, let's edit this here. Princess McBeauty is her name. I am sorry, what? What, Pierogi? Pierogi, no. Not in my chat. Yes, Mike and Hill, there are no snake rewards because there is no snake. You won't let me refund your points, so I took away your ability to purchase something that you can't receive. Pierogi's trying to get canceled on Twitter? Exactly. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Wonderland. Don't approve of that cake. I don't want it. I don't want to have anything to do with it. I'm trying to figure out, so my goal here is I want these to be like, all dialogue should be like text message length. Kind of like, what's it called? A short hike. All the dialogues are super short. And that's what I'm trying to achieve here. But I'm struggling because Princess McBeauty has so much information to give you all in one dialogue. Sending my troops would put the city in danger? The kingdom? The kingdom. Yeah, then we can get rid of this. It will help if you bring me evidence that the forest is attacking. There we go. It's UCP cake. Are we talking about cupcakes? Because I googled UCP cake and found nothing except cupcakes. Ultra chocolate Polish cake. Interesting. Is it like the most chocolate cake ever? Is there like nobody's ever made a cake that's more chocolate than the ultra chocolate Polish cake? Huh. Wait, these are just called Polish chocolate cakes. None of them are ultra chocolate Polish cakes. None of these are what I ordered. The cake has that racist. Oh. Oh, you're coming up with a new name. Got it, got it. So maybe Polish chocolate cake is the official name? Because that's what I found. I found a whole lot of cakes called Polish chocolate cake. Sorry, we lost the plot. Yeah, that's on me. I'm the one who lost the plot. I think you guys had the plot the whole time. Got it. Very cool. So I want it to be like, if you haven't killed the boss and you go straight to the castle. Joe Blobberson, hello, welcome back over on YouTube. How you doing? If you haven't picked up the artifact, you didn't go kill the boss and you go straight to the castle to talk to the princess. She says these lines. But if you did, hello, Joe. If you did kill the boss and get the artifact, then she responds differently. Joe Bobberson, how dare you? You come into my home and say these words and make me look at them with my own two eyes? How dare you? Okay, we got that. Let's go implement it. Princess, where's your dialogue? There it is. This one should just be, look, I have no idea who you are. This one should be sending. Let's get rid of the my. Sending troops would put the kingdom in danger. It will help if you bring me evidence that the forest is attacking. There we go. Are you okay, Lingos? A little concerning. Wait, it's all pierogi? Always has been. Wait, that reminds me. I can no longer be pierogi, right? Yeah. Yeah, the pierogi timer's up. What am I doing? Put this back over here. And then, where am I? Here. Turn Q into a pierogi. Okay. I didn't even have time to change back. I'm okay, it's just a plushie. Alright, sounds good. This might be a pretty short stream. I'm not sure. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my goodness. That looks so yummy. Hydrate, thank you. Oh, that's up to you, Azarin. I didn't get a confirmation. Oh, we got another hydrate. Let me hydrate. I didn't get a confirmation from you if we officially want to do it and spend the points. I also didn't get confirmation from Code if we were comfortable with the idea we had for him. I don't remember what the animal was. But I'm totally down to become a squirrel. You go to the toilet? What? I'm sorry? A ferret. Yeah. Yeah, we haven't, we don't have confirmation from Code if he's comfortable being a ferret, but I'm comfortable becoming a squirrel. So I'll enable it. It is enabled now. If you want to spend the 3,000 points to make me a squirrel, then sounds good. I'm making you drink too much? Oh, got it. Is that because he looks a little green? Now we just need to find a good squirrel image. Wait, can we... What if we do transparent? Can I... Will it find me what I need? Thank you, Azarin. Oh yeah, this is perfect. I think I like this one. You're down to 15k channel points. That's still so many channel points, it's ridiculous. This one's gonna be the most PNG tuberable. Can I just download the image? Save image as. Yeah, there we go. I think I saw Koi make that same squirrel twirl the other day in a video. Twerk. No. Langos, no. I rolled 14. How bad is it? 14? Or pay attention in school. Yeah, super based. That's what I'm thinking. But also, I don't think that's the problem. I don't think anyone's trying to watch Quellis instead of paying attention in school. I think they just want to earn Q coins while being in school. Also, please refer to them as Q coins or channel points. Don't abbreviate that word. I rolled for code returning and got 14. Oh. I got it. How can I flip this? Flip. Done. So now we have that. Now we need artwork. Or now we need eyes and a mouth. Where would I find that? Yeah, let's grab that. This is going to be the least efficient thing that I have ever done in my life. But you know, I'm good at doing things inefficiently. It's one of my strengths in life. You know, at some point I should just actually make these so that I don't have to keep redoing this every time I do this. The amount of times that I have taken one of these images and isolated the eyes and mouth is too dang high. And you would think at some point I would just stop doing it and make a template. But no. There we go. Foresight? Am I right? Yeah, who needs it? What do I need foresight for? What am I gonna do with that? Where's the scale tool here? Oh wait, I messed this up. This doesn't look right at all. What did I do here? How did I do that? Mate. Oh, I see what I did wrong. Okay. Okay, it's gonna be easier to do the other one. Oh boy, a squirrel. Dr. Cap'n Sir, hello. How you doing today, Dr. Cap'n Sir? I popped into Dr. Cap'n Sir's stream. Great streamer. Definitely recommend checking them out. But yeah, somebody paid to add a reward, paid with channel points, with Q coins, to add a reward that turns me into a squirrel. So now I'm preparing the squirrel. Falinir, hello. How you doing, Falinir? I hope things are going good in Falinir land. Yeah, let's size it there. Wait, why did that make it fuzzy? You're not supposed to be fuzzy. Why are you fuzzy? What? Why was it? Look, it looks fine. It's fine. And then I press enter, and now it's not fine. Why are you not fine? All right, this eye is just gonna be way too big. We'll just have to deal. Fright Fest is in full swing and it's hard. What is Fright Fest? Is it a game jam? Oh, Six Flags. Isn't it a little early for Halloween stuff? I guess my local grocery store has been selling Halloween stuff for a min. Okay, we also need eyes and mouth. Or eyes. We also need a mouth. Kind of like in the Big Eye Squirrel anyways. That's super based. Magic Mountain. I don't know anything about Magic Mountain. I'd rather have just redrawn the map. Yeah. You know, we're here. It's weird because resolutions. But there we go. Oh, that works perfectly. If you came here for efficiency, you're in the wrong stream. What did Dr. Cappenser say? It's a theme park with lots of roller coasters. Can I share a link? Yeah, you can share a link. What do we have here? The Scare Mini. Spooky. Is this you? Is that one you? How about that one? I don't think any of these are you. I just thought it would be funny. Nice. That's fun. They're actually all Falinir. Every single one of them. Okay, now we need this. Duplicate it instead of just dragging it every time. And then this one will be eyes. Oops. We just need one eye, actually. Contrary to popular belief. One eye done. Wait, is this gonna work? Oops, that's not what I meant to do. Hide the eye. No, that's not gonna work. How do I make that work? We need to like... Oh, this is gonna be so cursed. We need to smudge. We need to use the smudge tool. Smaller. Yeah. Wait, that's not working. Wait, hold on. Is this not actually transparent? This isn't actually transparent. No. No. Oh my gosh. It's a JPEG. How did I not see this coming? Oh my goodness. I am so dumb. Chat, you're watching the dumbest streamer right now. Do you know that? Oh my gosh, I'm so frustrated. I just wasted so much time. Hopefully, can I find just a transparent version of this image? Do I still have that search open? I do not. Just finish your first game? Oh my gosh. We did it, Reddit. Please send us an itch link, Sato. Or wherever it's published. Share all the links. I want all the links that you can share about your game. Pierogi, what kind of reward we making? What are we doing here? What image is this? This is this image. Is there actually like a transparent version? Visit. What happens if I press the visit button? Is this one of those things where like it's free, but I have to make an account and put in a credit card? Free download. I do have to make an account, which I'm not excited about. Yeah, Pierogi, we can't do that until we have code's consent. Some apps will remove the background based. PNG in the title for a JPEG. It's that they don't want you to download it from the image. They want you to actually go through the login process. Covert communications and clandestine plots. Nice. This looks like it's gonna have like Papers, Please vibes. Step into the shoes of an intelligence officer in a fictional Cold War era world. As an analyst, your job is to assess daily reports, decode classified transmissions, and identify hidden threats to national security. With time tickling and international ticking. I don't know how to read. With time ticking and international tensions rising, every decision you make could determine the future of your country. Analyze letters, radio transmissions, spy reports. Nice. Yeah, this does have very Papers, Please vibes. ChatGPT kind of carried me in this description. Flipping monitor? Are you telling me to like I've been seen the best posts on Reddit. What is that about, Pierogi? Is that about Sato's game? What are we referring to? This is World War II, right? Oh, Cold War. This is a different war. We're talking about a different war here. What are you talking about, Pierogi? Let's like maybe try to refrain from talking about that here, because you've brought it up quite a few times. And every time, the answer is always just, please don't. It was really inspired by Papers, Please, which I've never played. Nice. This sounds really cool. Wait, there's no download or anything. I thought you said you released it. Oh, you finished it, but maybe you haven't pressed the release button yet. How about a ground squirrel? Actually, this is kind of based. Is Azarin still here? It is transparent. I need to press the release. Oh, okay. It looks great though, Sato. Congratulations on finishing your first game. That's incredible. Mags, don't ask. I have no idea. I don't understand. Could go with the yelling gopher. Only if we have transparency. I don't want to go through the process of erasing the background myself. Who was the yelling gopher? Oh yeah, this guy. Getting fluffy ones with transparency is more difficult, yeah. Alan! Wait, so is this based or not? How do we feel about this? Yeah, is there also a version of it in Polish, Pierogi? The background's transparent, yeah. My whole life is a lie. Hydrate, thank you. Pretty popular one. Nice. Hydrate. Thank you. I think the whole world knows that meme. Yeah. Well, it's just that people in the US think that it started in the US, and apparently people in Poland think that it started in Poland. I'm not going to answer that question like this. It's a very personal question. You're welcome, Sato. Let's see. Let's double check. There we go. There's a Windows download. Is this made in Godot? What'd you make this in? Savage Lord Severus, hello. BBC World. No, BBC Wildside is what you said, not World. I don't know how to read. Godot 4.3, nice. Did you try doing a web build? Oh, I don't know why I didn't hit that follow button. Follow one say don't know. Okay, can I just drag this from the browser into GIMP? No, I cannot. So let's save this image. Now bring it into GIMP. Oh, this is rough. This is a terrible time. I'm having a terrible time. Okay, hold on. We need to go here. Right click, open with GIMP. Now we have a document that's the correct size. Oh, I don't like that he has a floor, but that's fine. We can just delete that really quick. That's fine to erase. That won't take too long. Let's erase that. Delete a little bit of that. A little bit of that. Done. I don't know what's going on with his foot here though. That's gonna be a little wonky, but you know, we're here. What can you do? Is that your way of saying everything is greater than using GIMP, Rodion? Or David? There we go, done. Now we have a ground squirrel. Let's crop it. Is this the crop tool? This is the crop tool. I should really just use Krita more, but you know, we're here. Use paint. Sometimes you just have a wonky foot. Yeah, sometimes you're just having a wonky foot day. It's like a bad hair day, except your foot's wonky. I hate him so much. Oh yeah, it wasn't you. I was thinking of, I think the fun guy was in here often. Every time I used a new software, I was like, I hate that software so much. I thought it was you for a second, but I don't think it was. GIMP is better than Paint? Yes. Well, Paint doesn't have layers, right? Last time I tried using Paint, there weren't layers. It's like gum. Why chew it if there's no layers? Oh, did you send me a squirrel? It is transparent. We're on an ad break. All right, I'm gonna throw words on stream up. And I'm gonna go take a quick break. I'll be right back. Oh, you guys are just doing incredible over here. Yo, well done. Let's go to the next one. Exited. Nice, Langos. Well done. Ryan Brody, hello, welcome in. We were just on an ad break, so we're just taking a little break to play words on stream for a moment, and then we'll get back to it. We're actually, we've taken a pretty significant, what's the word? We've gotten super distracted from doing game dev, basically. but I hope you're doing well. Welcome in. Super distracted, yeah. I don't know, we're all having fun here. Also, Robitussin, I don't think I said hi to you. Hello, Robitussin. How you doing? Why am I gimping squirrels? So, what's happening is, Azurin redeemed the creator reward redeem. So, now we get, the reward that we're adding. Why am I having a hard time saying words? The reward that we're adding is turn Q into a squirrel. So now I need to make a squirrel avatar. Wait, what is this? I didn't see a Seraphia in chat. How did you get in here? Do we want to go to another level, or do we want to get back to stream? You can play from your phone. Oh, did somebody... So it's not connected to your Twitch. You can enter whatever username you want? Is that what that means? How am I third against a bunch of native? Why words? What? Please words. Native speakers? I don't know. Yeah, the both of you. Oh, Seraphia, yeah. I'd love a full round, I'm good at least. As in, you want to go another, or we're done? If y'all want another, let me know. But for now, I'm gonna move on. The only thing I don't like about this image is that it's gonna be hard to do, to make it talk when it has something in its mouth. I'll just hang out till the next break for another go. Okay. The mouth, like I said, questionable. Yeah. All right. So chat, I need your opinions. What do we like better? Seraphia, thank you so much for the follow. What do we like better? Which one would you rather see Q turned into? Would you rather me be... There we go, I can zoom this out. Legos, please don't do that. Would you rather see me as a ground squirrel or as a squirrel eating a peanut? Which one? I need opinions. Yeah, so one on the left would be one. If you want to just do this easy, one on the left is the number 1. The one on the right is number 2. 1 or 2? Number 1 or number 2? Or number 1 or number 2? Who can vote? Everybody. If you are here, if you can hear the sound of my voice, I want you to vote. We got 4 ones and only 1 2. Make a poll. I figured it's faster to just ask. At the eye doctor, yeah, that was the joke. I'm glad you got it. That's totally fine, Ryan Brody. The context is it's gonna replace my avatar, my PNG tuber avatar. How could I pull out Twitch side menu while looking at you? I don't know what that means. I can't help. All right. I think it seems like this is the one. I think this is goated. So let's do it. Let's go grab the eyes, which should be this one. Yeah, let's grab this. Pasta here. Where did you paste to? What? Are you here somewhere? Where'd you go? All right, undo that. Yeah, what? Where's it going? What happens if we make it a new layer? And then it shows it here, but there's just no art. What? He do be fluffy though. He do be fluffy indeed. I think we're gonna want to crop this. Because I think this is gonna fill up like half the screen. I think it would make the most sense to crop it to like here. I like this. You managed to build for web, yes. Ryan Brody, thank you so much for the follow. I really appreciate that you came here probably expecting a game dev / Godot stream, and I'm sitting here mucking around with Words with Friends and GIMP, and just thank you so much for the follow. I appreciate it. I don't know why you're apologizing, Seraphia. You can do whatever you gotta do. I just appreciate you being here. See you, Azarin. Have a good one. Got the little pause? I know. You gotta have the pause in there. I'm gonna hang around for all the ads. All the other Godot devs are also doing artwork stuff. Nice. Yeah, we do ads every 30 minutes on this stream. So no, sorry. That is not correct. We do ads every hour on this stream. So at the next half hour, meaning it is 4:45 right now, and at 5:30 we will have ads. Again. There we go. Those are the words I was looking for. All right, it's definitely this. If I Control C, it should copy that layer, but then I Control V, and that layer isn't here. Why is this not happening? I don't understand. All right, so we're gonna have to do this again. That's super rough. Let's go grab this, because this is actually pixel perfect, so this might be easier. The eye? Oh, this eye? You don't like this eye? Well, it's gotta be Quellis, you know? Like, all of my avatars have these eyes. So I gotta keep it. There we go. Now we have an eye. Go away. There we go. It needs to be way bigger. It's cursed. Oh no. How do we make it scale right? Why don't you scale right? How? GIMP pixel scaling. Let's see what that gives us. It's the one software you haven't used for hundreds of hours. Oof. What is the word? The filtering? Scaling? Interpolation? The interpolation under quality? Where are they finding that? Because I don't have an option here. So it's gotta be preferences. Scaling. None. I think that's what we're looking for. Nope. Please use paint.net. We're so close though.
Why code 807 isn't streaming.
Because this is also hi Med Yesin. This is a secret unscheduled stream. So Code has his own life to live. Code's living his life. I'm over here streaming. Preferences. Where are we? What are we doing? Tool options. Scaling. Linear? No. There's no nearest neighbor. I don't know. Streamer having a normal life? Outrageous. Well, I didn't say normal life. I just said he's living his life. Okay, can we do this better in Krita? Because this is quickly becoming a mess. Yeah, thank you for trying though, Ryan. I appreciate you. Open? I think we want to open. And then we want to open the ground squirrel. And then... Gosh, I do not know Krita. This is going to be rough too. Everything's rough, guys. We're having a rough time. Insert as new layer. There we go. Now we have it as a new layer. Enjoy your lurk, Dr. Cap'n Sir. Thank you for hanging out. Yeah, for scaling. Also, that gamer, hello. I'm so glad to see you, that gamer. I was so scared that we were gonna break your streak by doing an unscheduled stream, but I'm so glad you made it. Okay, selection. Yeah. Boom. All right, we have to draw a new box every time. That's not too bad. We can make this work. And then we start here, go here. Oh yeah, so to fill in the newcomers on what's happening, we are adding a squirrel avatar that you can turn me into with a reward redeem. Well, a ground squirrel. This isn't a squirrel, it's a ground squirrel. That's important information. I don't know that, gamer. I don't know your life. Maybe you're busy today. I'm just glad that you made it. What's with the semi-transparency? Where did that come from? Oh, the shadow. It's shadows. I forgot there were shadows. Okay. So now we have that. We want to deselect. Now we want to grab this. Move this. Not that. Move this here. Can we scale you? Not very well. It's pretty ugly. I think that's just the way it's gonna be. I think we just have to suffer. I think this is why we're here, just to suffer. Image. Scale image? Scale image to new size? Filter. None. Wait, are we talking about GIMP now? You're a guest star? Nice, that's exciting. Still can't map the maps. On GIMP you can scale with no interpolation. Do you know how? Because I was trying to figure that out. I'm doing this also on GIMP. You saw nearest neighbor in there? In this one? Image. Scale image to new size. Filter nearest neighbor. I think that's gonna scale the entire image, isn't it? Maybe that we can work around that. Yeah, that's what I was just thinking, Langos. Let's go file new. Make one that's like 16 by 16. It's probably gonna be more like 8 by 8, but we'll see. Paste. Copy, then pasta. There we go. Now delete all these. Unlock that one. Also delete it. There we go. Now, image. Scale image to new size. Let's go like 64 by 64 nearest neighbor. Done. We did it. Now copy. Now pasta. Where did you go? There you are. Done. We finally did it. Nope. Wait, how do I make it scale normally? Like that.
GIMP for the win.
GIMP for the win. Wait, this is Krita. It's still a little iffy, but that'll work. That's the best we're gonna get. No, it looks bad. It looks so bad. Ah. I'm so mad. Wait, we almost got it though. We're so close.
It looks fine.
Okay, yeah, it looks better. Okay, so let's duplicate this. Duplicate layer mask, yeah, that's what we want. And then grab this tool again, bring it over here. Done. I love it so much. He looks so scared. It's so good. Okay. So needs something to hold on to with this little pause. We might add some drip. I don't know. Anyways, now we need the mouth. Where do we get the mouth? Where's the mouth? Where mouth? Here.
Sell this as an NFT now.
So this is an NFT. Can I right click open with Krita? Yes, I can. Beautiful. Now we just need to extract the mouth. Can we just crop it? That would be super cool. That would save so much time if we could just like crop this size. Boom. Boom. There. Now we just need to get rid of like 3 pixels. 6 pixels. 3 times 2 pixels. That, no? Not what I ordered. That's the wrong tool. That is the problem. That's also the wrong tool. We want this tool. There we go. I'm a professional. Okay. I know it doesn't seem like it because it kind of seems like I have no idea what I'm doing and that this entire stream is a mess, but I'm telling you, I'm a professional. Use wand select. That actually would have been a lot easier, wouldn't it have? Well, we're here. It's done. Now we deselect all the things, copy, then go over here and pasta, and then grab this, move it here. That's way too big, but that's fine. We can fix that real quick. Lickety split. And done. Now we have a talking squirrel. It's so good. And the teeth look somehow even more bucked. Yeah, he's a squirrel. He's gotta have buck teeth. This reminds me of something, but I don't remember what. Interesting. No, cute. What's wrong, David? What's the matter? All right, so we need to crop this image now to this. Yeah, about here? Yeah, this is perfect. Reminds me of this weird green cloud I saw somewhere recently. What? Is that like a meta meme that I'm missing? Wait, that's not a cloud. What the heck are you? I've never seen anything more beautiful. This is perfect. I'm so excited about this. Okay, so now we need to save this. It is gonna be weird that the blinking is with open eyes. Do we have a smudge tool here? Does GIMP give us a smudge tool? Multi-brush? Smart patch? No. I don't think we have a smudge tool. Content aware fill? What happens if I just do this? No, that doesn't do anything. All right, I think we're just gonna have to leave it. You shift that streamer. Original pierogi. All right, we're going back to normal. Oh, you were referring to me as the green cloud. I'm the green cloud. Me. Green cloud is me. I get it. There. Now we're normal colored pierogi. Oh yeah. It's the Alan meme, right? The screaming chipmunk meme? Yelling chipmunk meme? It was just a moldy pierogi. That's Steve. Oh, it's not the Alan meme, it's Steve. My bad. Okay, so we're just gonna have to deal. This is a closed-eyed. Its eyes are closed right now. This is with its eyes open. That's just how it has to be. File, export, go to PNG tuber. We need a new folder. We're gonna call this Squale. Now in here, we have squirrel normal. And then now export this one. Squirrel eyes open. Wait, eyes open is normal. This is normal. Wait, hold on. I messed up. I made a mistake. This is squirrel. Eyes closed. Squirrel eyes open. There we go. Then squirrel eyes open, mouth open. Good night, Pierogi. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. A BBC show legit where they dubbed over their documentary footage. Oh. Alan meme has him saying, no, wait, that's not Alan, that's Steve. Oh, I just don't know the meme. It was the right meme, I just don't know it. Got it. Okay, what are we doing here? This is mouth open. Eyes open, mouth open. And then we need mouth open, eyes closed. I know it does look like the eyes are open, but believe me, these are closed eyes. They're definitely closed. Squirrel, eyes closed, mouth open. Done. That's all the combinations. Why don't you make the PNG tuber modular, like a base image, modular, eyes and mouth? Fantastic question. I don't really have an answer. That would make more sense though. I guess for most people, they wouldn't have these as separate layers. Because for most people, it wouldn't just be like take an image and put stuff on top of it. They would actually just have 4 different images. Diaco Curdo, welcome to the stream. How you doing? I probably butchered your name. I hope it wasn't too bad. We are actually using Godot. We're taking a quick break to be really distracted by squirrels to turn me into a squirrel. But mostly we work in Godot. This PNG tuber software that we're messing with is also in Godot. Written by me and my usual co-host. Okay, image. Do this. The neutral image is this one. The shifty eyes. Blinking will be this one. Talking is this one. it's already working. And then what was this one? Talking and blinking, which would be this. Done. We've done it. Now bring this up to the top. Oh, you can't see the paws. That's just how it's gonna have to be. Unfortunate. But yeah, there we go. Now we just need to go make the the mouth is way too big. It's cursed. Now we just need to go make the reward for it. Isn't this so exciting? I think of Code as a more unusual co-host. What does that mean? What do you mean he's an unusual co-host? How much does turn Q into the pierogi cost? It's 300, so we should also make this 300. Unusual is better than usual, has more letters. Turn Q into a squirrel for 10 minutes. Actually, a ground squirrel. But shh. 300. Ooh, we should get a picture of the... We have to get in 3 different resolutions. It's so much work. We're just gonna create it. It exists now. Now for 300 coins, you can turn Q into a squirrel for 10 minutes. I'm pretty sure the pierogi timer is up. When was our last pierogi? Was it actually a whole hour ago? Turn Q into a squirrel for 10 minutes. The squirrel could wear a pierogi on its head. Wait, but then I can't stop people from making the pierogi wear a pierogi on its head, and I'm not sure how I feel about that. I can't not laugh looking at him right now. It's so much. Incredible. It's so good. We can't see the pause. I know. Here, actually, let me fix that. Yeah, this. There. Now we can see the pause. Oh my gosh. Hi, Munglow. I am a squirrel now. How you doing, Munglow? You came just in time for Squirrel Q. Needs a pimp cane. True. It is that. On him, it does kind of look like that kind of hat, doesn't it? It's perfect. Popics are subscriber only based. Okay. So let's go test the princess's dialogues, because we rewrote that and then didn't have time to test it. So let's go. It's kind of a trek. We will be there soon. Oh wow, game dev. Yeah. So this is my RPG game. The idea, when you start the game, you only have, well, you don't have any weapons until you pick one up, but you only have a melee weapon for a while. But the plan is that the magic system in this world is based on flowers and mushrooms. So after you defeat the first boss and maybe complete another quest or something, then you learn how to do magic using flowers and mushrooms. So you have to collect them, and you spend a flower/mushroom every time you cast a spell. Somebody distract him again. No, we're finally back to being on track. It is kind of good because we got to pad out this content a lot. I was kind of thinking that I was just gonna finish this really quick and then make a release, upload it to itch, and then end stream because I had nothing better to do. But we padded this content a lot. This is a 2-hour stream now. There we go. It's perfect. That's a really cool approach to the magic. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly if it's going to work out or not yet. I'm going to implement it and then do play tests and try to build a world around it and then tweak it, see what happens. I think it might be a little frustrating, but we'll see. But yeah, the story so far is that the princess is like, oh yeah, the story is that for some reason one day the forest just goes crazy and like things start coming to life that weren't alive before, and things that usually didn't attack people are attacking people now, and you don't really know what's going on. So you go to the princess and you're like, hey, princess, we need help. So, something's happening to the forest in our town. And she's just like, I don't know who you are, I'm busy. I'd be putting my kingdom in danger if I start moving my troops all willy-nilly just because you said this. You need to bring me some sort of proof. So the same, as you go through the forest, you will come across a boss, and you defeat the boss, and it gives you an artifact, the same artifact that teaches you magic. You also show it to the princess, and she's like, okay, I believe you now. So kill this boss, and now we have artifact, and now we can shoot fireballs with our flowers. Make it so you can create spells with different effects by using different kinds of flowers. That's what I'm thinking. So those are my two kind of... I have two competing... Kill the Godot, yeah! My boss is just Godot logos. Placeholder art, it will be a tree eventually. But I have these two competing ideas where on one hand, I want it to be like, you can only shoot fireballs, but there's different types of flowers and mushrooms, and you can like tweak how your fireballs act by changing how many of those different types of flowers and mushrooms you're spending every spell cast. So it could be like you spend 3 blue ones and 2 red ones, and now you have a fireball that shoots really fast but does little damage or something. And then you can spend more red ones and less blue ones to have one that moves slowly but does a ton of damage when it hits. And I think that would be really cool, but I also do like the idea of maybe the different types are different spells, so you can have red ones that do fireballs and blue ones that do ice spells or something. I wish my boss in real life was a Godot logo. Does quality matter? I don't think so. I don't want this game to be too complex. I'm trying to find a balance of like, I want a game that's pretty simple and can be really chill if that's the experience you want. Like if you want the experience that a lot of people have in Breath of the Wild, where they kind of just chill and run around and explore and don't dive too deep into a lot of the systems, you can totally do that. But then I also want it to be possible to have an experience where it's like you want to min-max stuff and you want to dive deep into complex systems. So I don't know. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with it yet. But that's the balance that I'm hoping to achieve. It's like, if you kind of just want to vibe and go explore and kill things and explore dungeons, and you don't want to be stressed about min-maxing your fireballs and making sure that your weapons are like tuned to your playstyle, then you can have a really chill experience. But if you want to min-max and tune everything to have the highest damage or whatever, turn it into a moving shooter like a twin stick. Like ultra kill? I mean, I think ultra kill is a pretty not chill experience, isn't it? Isn't ultra kill pretty notoriously a like really fast-paced, difficult game? But I haven't played ultra kill, so I am making a lot of assumptions here. Oh, I need a damage sound. That's the next big thing. I don't know, ultra kill sounds really calm and peaceful. True. If we're judging a book by its cover, it does sound very calm and peaceful, for sure. What have we done today? What did we change? We just changed some dialogues, right? So we added that. And then changed the princess's dialogues. Okay, so let's commit this with angry guy gives the player a weapon. Commit. And then do I don't know what I changed in the tile map, but I'll take your word for it. Shorten the princess's dialogues. Commit. Push. Now, let's see. Can we get a sound that we like? So the angry guy, his canonical placeholder name is the old angry guy, the real. So his backstory is that he's just the old wise man of this village. Why is he angry? We don't actually know. He just is angry. But he's just the old wise man who has things that he's collected throughout his life. The original plan was that he knows a lot of things about the flower magic and he'll teach you it. But then it ended up being he just has a sword that he's kept around just in case, and he gives you the sword because you're the strongest person in the village. These are so quiet. Oh, that was so loud. What a sound. Is Angie his first name and Guy his last name? Is he related to Postal's dude? So many important lore questions. You're just gonna have to wait and find out. All will be answered in time. Why? Why? I feel like I'm gonna hate this one. Yeah. It's not as bad as I expected, but not the vibe we're looking for. I want more of like a Minecraft hit sound. That one kind of works. No. That is a cool sound. I don't know what I would use that for if I did use it, but cool sound. Interesting. What is the licensing on this? It is attribution. Oh my gosh. I want voices. Ow. No, not what we're looking for. Whoa. That's an interesting sound. It's like a little chirp. Oh my god, sorry, I forgot to set the volume on this tab. I didn't realize the different tabs have different volumes. I think this one's the way to go. Just make it with some biz sound generator? No, we got it. This is it. Oh, I have to log in. Hold on. Doesn't Godot have something like that? Not built in, to my knowledge. I'm certain that somebody's built an asset for it. Or a library or something. What? What the heck is my password? What? Did I log in on the wrong browser? No. I don't understand. There's a couple only sites for it. I think they're simple to use, so it might not be worth the effort. I think... Wait. There's a couple sites for it, I think, that are simple to use, might not be worth the effort. There are a couple of online sites. Yeah, like JSFX. Might be a good example. Chat, I have good news. I remembered my password. I don't know what an AIF file is. Does Godot support AIF files? You have good news, that gamer? What's your good news? Oh, easy. My password is, I'm never gonna give you my password, Code Wonderland. 123. 1,000? 1,000.
Cheer 1,000 one-man hype trains are a thing this month.
You cheered 1,000 bits. Thank you so much.
We added 100 bits to thagamer_cheer.
Thank you so much, that gamer. I appreciate that so much. We're also in a hype train now, which is super lit. Oh, my hype train morbs don't work. I think I just never finished setting them up. I don't remember. Thank you, Twitch. One-man hype trains are a thing this month. Hey, I joined your last hype train. I threw 100 bits into your last hype train. Not on this channel. I don't think you can... Can you send bits on your own channel? Cannot share on your own channel. Yeah, you can't send bits to your own channel. Big money man in chat. Yeah, the big money man's here. The big money man's here to drop off his big money. We appreciate it. All right, we can only do WAVs, MP3s, and Agagas. So we need to figure out a way to convert the AIFF. Wait, we can Audacity this. Audacity has become my favorite tool recently. Leave me alone. Yeah, Audacity. What's Twitch doing here? What? What? What do you mean? What Twitch doing here? We're on Twitch. We are Twitch. Oh, Twitch added 100 bits to the chair. Yeah, that one was a little weird. Oh, wait. Oh, I thought what happened was that gamer cheered 1000 and then after cheered 100, and it was like we added 100 to the cheer because so that it's a 1100 bit cheer. But no, Twitch is matching cheers? That's crazy. That's so good. Dang. Now's the time. 300 plus bits. Okay, so that's why I was just thinking, I was like, the last time I threw 100 bits cheer at a streamer, it didn't do that. Okay, so file, export. It feels weird whenever I cheer bits in somebody else's channel or subscribe or whatever, because it's kind of just your money, that gamer, at this point. You pay for my ability to do that. You won't get me to spend more money, money man. You don't have to spend money. This content is free. We really appreciate donations. We really appreciate bits and subscribers, because it allows us to continue to make this content. But at the end of the day, this content is free. If you don't have the money, then don't. We added 2 bits. Wait. Was it? Wait. What power up did you? What did we redeem? What did we add 2 bits to? Oh, it's this message. Redeem to make the message do that. Got it. I see. The Twitch message is just a bot. Yeah, I mean, there is an actual Twitch staff sitting here waiting for bits redeems and then cheering. It's just a bot. I support you. What you do with it is up to you. I appreciate you, that gamer. It means so much. Message effects that don't even work. It did work. Wait, did we just accomplish the hype train? Oh my gosh. Wait, that gamer just gifted subs. Wait. Thank you so much for gifting a sub, that gamer. Was it just one gift? Yeah, it was one gift. Nice. Thank you so much. Incredible. All right, so yeah, let's keep this name. Export this. Where did that export to? Export to exactly where we want it. Incredible, fantastic, we love it. Then we go here. How do we get attribution text? Give me the attribution text. Copy that. Go over here to main. No, it's in main menu. To here. Add that. You still won't get me to spend money. No one's trying to get you to spend money. This is horrible and terrible to read. We're looking for this one. This is the sound. The player has an audio stream player for... I think we need a second audio stream player. Wait, how are we switching between the two sounds? Oh, it's in here. We're doing it here. Yeah. That's a cute emote, Lingos. give you money if I was rich. Yeah, we can't all be that gamer. Okay, gotta go sleep. It's late. See you, Legos. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. I'm really glad you finally were able to make it to a stream. Sleep well. Stay in school. Okay, so we need another audio player. Audio stream player 2D. What? Stay in school? Yeah, stay in school. That's what I said. We don't want an audio stream player 2D. We want an audio stream player. Audio stream player, not 2D, because we don't want to have spatial sound, because it should just be in the center of the screen, because it's the player who's in the center of the screen. Like, this is dropping out post. No, don't drop out. Stay in school. I won't live my whole life there. I won't sleep there. No, I mean, like, stay in school until you graduate. Go to bed like this. In my experience, the leak code runtime thing is just meaningless. Every time you run it, you'll just get a different number. It doesn't matter if your code is more efficient or less efficient. It just gives you a random number each time. Going to bed. See you, Mags. Have a good bed. Sleep well. You're gonna go to bed too, David? Have a sleep. No, sleep at school. No, that's not. No, that's not right, Wonderland. Quixotic Queen QR code. I like QR code. QR code's based. Okay, so on your stream player, it needs this sound, and then once it has this sound, we can go here to the player script, and we can grab that audio stream player, put it here. Wait, no, let's put it here next to all the other onreadies. Onready var audio stream. Why am I so bad at typing? Hype train success. I got an emote. Look at this emote. That's a good emote. Thank you so much for the hype train. It's incredible. It means so much. Bye-bye. Bye, Legos. Sleep well. I'm going to sleep, not at school. Yes, sounds good. 0 milliseconds on leak code just means you did it in big O of N. Okay, this equals %sign and a stream player. No, let's make this a $sign. $sign, audio stream player. There we go. And then on damage, here, we just always take damage when take damage is called. That makes sense. Now that I say that out loud, it feels silly that I said those words. Audio stream player, dot play. Now let's go hear it. Gotta get my trusty scythe. Maybe I didn't get included in that hype train. I did not, in fact, get an emote, which said my 20 bits ain't worth. Yeah, I think you need at least 100 bits, I think is my understanding. We about to have ads here in a minute. Yeah! We have damage sounds now! And now we know when we took damage. Beautiful. It's perfect. Boom pow. Added damage sound plays when player takes damage. Wait, are we in ads now? No, we're not in ads yet. I think we just have a little delay. We should be in ads here in like 30 seconds. Okay. That's pretty much it. We're vibing. I think the next thing I'm gonna do after the ad break is just cut a release, put it up on itch, and then that'll be it. There's our ad break. Let's go words on stream, and I'm gonna step away for a minute. I'll see y'all in a bit. I'm back. No, we lost. We started on level 4. That's kind of a rough start. Let's try again. Well, that was easy. Effects, that gamer, well done. My goodness. Incredible. Tease. Oh, we did it. Nice. I'm so bad at this game. I got feet and that's it. That gamer is goated at finding the big words. Also, welcome back, everyone from ads. Rotten Coder, I see you there. Welcome. Teefs. What is this? Hello, Colored Hue. We were on an ad break, so to fill the time during ads, we were playing Words on Stream, which is just, you have all of these letters and you have to try to make at least 4-letter words out of them. Type them in chat. But then we'll get back to our Godot game dev that we were working on. Also, I think, is the timer up? Can I stop being a squirrel now? I think it's been like 30, 45 minutes. Yeah, it's been a hot minute that I've been a squirrel. Let's unsquirrel the queue. Wrong button. Hold on. There we go. Now I'm no longer a squirrel. Well done. We did it. Let me know if you want to keep going on Words on Stream, but otherwise, unless y'all want to keep going, I'm gonna get back to doing my thing. But how you doing, Colored Hue? I hope you're doing well. Small words are harder for me for some reason. I'm just bad at words. But I only seem to be capable of finding 4-letter words. I think the only thing left to do is just export and upload to Itch. I don't think there's anything else to do here. Let's talk to the other people. Who's got my house? How'd you even get in here? Oh yeah, I need to rename that city. I can't call it Valaria. It's too similar to Valyria from Game of Thrones. Yeah, there we go. Okay, our other dialogues are fine. Like the big words, there's only one possible word. But how do you know? How do you know what the one possible word is? We'll just have to enjoy your stream for another hour. I don't think it's gonna last that long, to be honest. If you're only here waiting for more words on stream, then I think you'll be disappointed, unfortunately. All right, we need to go to documents, workspace, releases, and then Cloud Edge. Delete these two, go into web, delete the contents. Just so I make sure that we're regenerating all of these from scratch. And there we go. There's our new releases. I'm enjoying the stream. I was just answering whether or not we should go for another game. Yeah, for sure. Okay, open this in a terminal. Did we ever find... I need to find a better way to do, what is it called? Butler. There has to be a good way to add it to my path. I could just add it to my bash RC file. At some point I opened it and didn't save. Okay, so we could just do export path equals wait, is this how you do it? Hold on. I want to make sure I'm doing this right. Bash RC path, because if I do this wrong, it could be pretty bad. Necessary cookies. Go away. Yeah, okay. I was on the right track. $, brace, path, but I never would have guessed the syntax. The syntax is way more complicated than I thought it was. Colon, And then we need the path to the butler file, which should be in where are you here? Maybe I shouldn't put it in here. Maybe I should move it to documents. It would make more sense in documents. Why can I not? Why can you not right click here and open in a new tab? It's so frustrating. Open a new tab. We want to be in downloads actually. And we're looking for Butler. Where Butler? Butler here. We want to move this to documents. And we need, yeah, there's multiple files in here, so let's just rename this to Butler. Done. Now we need a path to Butler. Was it path? What's the command to get the the local path or the global path to a location? There's a command for this. Real path? Real path real? To butler.exe. Perfect. This is what we want. Grab that. Wait. Grab that. Paste here. Done. Now we need to remove that. WQ. And then... Oh, yeah. Though it would help if I did this right. /.bashrc. And anyway, go here, do that, WQ. Now it should be good. We should be able to just type Butler. Wait, what? Butler/butler.exe. Wait, didn't we give it the path to butler.exe? We did. Whack. But whatever. It works. That's what matters at the end of the day. Alright, open in terminal. We can close these terminals now. Now we're here. Now we need to do... So why does that not work? Huh? America, explain. That's so annoying. Okay, give me real path. We don't even have real path in this terminal, but it's the same terminal. Okay, CD to workspace and then to, where are we going? Releases. Then Cloud Edge. Now we're here. Now we want to do... What? I'm sorry. I'm so confused. How did this work a moment ago, but it doesn't work now? It works here. It doesn't work here. Oh. I'm the silliest goose who ever lived. I didn't do any of this right. Oops. I understand the problem now. //bashrc. That's not bashrc. Bashrc. Edit. Are there any issues with this? Do we know why this isn't working? Because this looks right to me. Export path equals quote $, open curly brace, path, close curly brace, colon, and then the path. It's fine. This should work. super rude. We do need a leading white space, but I don't, or a, not leading, whatever. We need a white space there, but I don't think that's the problem. All right, well, we'll do this the long way. Workspace, releases, Cloud Edge. I like keep stabbing at this a little bit, trying to figure out how to make this easier, but I haven't been able to do it. LDM, hello. Get rid of the XE? Oh, you're a genius. Thank you, LDM. That is probably exactly the problem. Edit anyway. Shout out to LDM. I've only seen him stream once in a hot min, but when he streams, his streams are fantastic. He's making a really silly Godot horror-ish game, and I think it's meant to be a horror game. I've just only seen the silly bits so far, but yeah, big fan. Definitely go check out LDM. All right, let's see if this works. Yes. Thank you. Now, for the last time, we CD to workspace releases, and Cloud Edge, which is the placeholder name for the game that we're releasing right now, and then go butler exe. What is the command? Push cloudedge.exe, and then it was something like I need to look this up. Butler. That was super glitchy. Pushing builds. Yeah, I know I can do that, LDM, but for some reason, at some point I decided it's safer just to do it that way, so I've just always been doing it that way. Does it actually make a difference? I don't know, maybe it just makes my life harder. Quellis / Cloud Edge : win, and then I think it's target. No, oh, I messed up. This terminal needs to be a lot wider. Where's the thing that we're looking for? Specifying your own version, user version. There it is. That's what we're looking for. Okay, push. Cloud Edge exe to Quellis / Cloud Edge. Wait, before we do that, I'm a silly goose. I forgot to update the version number in the game. The game still has the same version number. Project settings. This needs to be 0.0.5. Oh my goodness. Now it says 0.0.5 in the corner. There we go. Now project export all, release. There we go. Now we keep doing exactly what we were doing. Because now we're doing it correctly. Cloud Edge : win space -- user version 0.0.5. Done. We did it, Reddit. And then we do the same thing, but for Linux. And this time it's the x86-64 file. Done, we did it, Reddit. And then we need to go to itch and go here. I got a notification. Oh yeah, it's just telling me that it's done. Perfect. Go here, And then we need to update the index.zip. Compress to a zip file. Done. And then this will be played in the browser. And then everything else is correct. Save. Now view page. That's 0.0.5. This should be 0.0.5. Yeah, it works. We win. All right. Let's find a raid target. Is this about to play my own stream? No, I caught it. We're good. Oh, all right. Yeah, let's not end the stream quite yet. Then let's answer that question. So, what Butler is there a good, concise explanation in the docs? What's that? Where is it? Did I close it? Did I close the Butler doc? No, here it is. Introduction. Butler is a small command line tool that lets you upload builds of your game quickly and reliably to itch.io. That's pretty much exactly it. That's exactly why I use it. So what this does, the main reason that I use it is because it puts this version number right here. I think somewhere you can track the old versions, but I haven't found it. No more Quellis. I got a little distracted. We get a little bit more Quellis. It gets this version number and you can track the different versions, where if you're uploading it through the web, like if you just go here and drag in the files by just clicking upload files, then you don't get to track those version numbers. And it also is more efficient because Butler will actually unzip your exe file and only upload the things that have changed inside of it. So it's way more efficient, it's way faster than just uploading the entire thing. So the reason I uploaded manually anyways is because I don't know the command to upload to web from from the command line, and I don't really care about tracking the version as much. So for the web file, which is this zip file, I just do it manually. Wait, I don't think this is, I think I'm misreading this. I think this is not meant to say there have been 7 downloads today at 5:54. I think this means it was updated today at 5:54 and there's been a total of 7 downloads total in the file. Probably, I hope. I hope that's the case. Okay, wrong screen. This is the screen we want to be on. Let's go find a target. Oh, I did not mean to play that stream. Let's go to click in my own stream, silly goose. Yeah, let's go raid Outfrost. We're gonna give Outfrost a little raid. Thank you for the stream. Thank you so much, everybody, for hanging out. And thank you, Gamer, so much for your financial support. The stream is free. I want you all to know that, but the financial support just means so much. Thank you for streaming today. Thank you. Thank you, everybody, so much for stopping by and hanging out with me. This has been a really fun stream. I can become a squirrel now. We have unlocked abilities because of this stream. And good to see you again, LDM. You've been absent, and I'm excited to see you again. Seems like you're going to be more active soon, or that you have been more active is the better way to put it. But yeah, let's go to the raid. Just spam Quellis raid, I guess, is our raid message. The squirrel is goat now based. But yeah, just spam Quellis raid if you are a sub. Throw in some Quellis emotes in there. Okay, bye. Thank you for everything. Bye.